Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video, guys. As you saw in the title, today I'll be trying to do a braid out on my locks. So this is how my hair looks like before. Yeah, the back view. So I'll try to braid my hair, and the only thing what I know, I need to wet my hair before. As you can see, it's already fully moisturized, so I'll not add oil. I'll just braid it, then I'll be coming back with the final results. I'll be back. So guys, as you can see, I wet my hair first. I have my spray bottle. Then once your hair is fully wet, you will start to braid all the way down. It's time consuming, but I think at the end of the day it will be worth it. So you keep on braiding until when you reach the ends. And guys, I'm planning to leave my braids for almost 2 days. Then I'll take them out to see how my locks will turn out. And I can't wait, guys. So remember to subscribe, guys, so that you may join Nancy Locks family. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost reaching to the ends, and I'll close this with So guys, this is how far I've gone, and this is how my hair looks like. So this is the remaining part. Actually, it takes time, but yeah, this is the remaining locks. As you can see, all this, I've not yet braided them, but yeah, and I can't wait to see the curls. So guys, this is how I look like when I'm done, and I can't wait after 3 to 4 days to take them out. As you can see, I hope this you can see also behind. Yeah, see. So guys, this is how my hair looks like after 2 days of my braids. So guys, I'll be taking them down, and I can't wait to see how the curls looks like. What you need first, you need oil. So I'll be moisturizing my hair first. Yeah. So guys, you may be wondering which type of oil do I use. Actually, I did this cloves oil. If you don't know how to make it from home, I will leave a link here so that you may go and try it out. Yeah. So guys, let me just come a little bit closer. As you can see, these are the rubber bands. So I take them off with the help of a comb. guys, this is how the curls they have turned out. So check out guys, this looks so nice. I can't wait to take them out. So guys, I'll be back when I'm done. So guys, ta-da! So guys, as you can see, this is how my hair looks like when I'm done with my braid out. Guys, check out those curls. Oh, so nice. I think I need to try this over and over again. So guys, check out how my hair turned out. Ta-da! Check out these guys. Okay, so let me just do a 360 for you guys, and I show you how my hair looks like in the back way. So this is my front view, side view, my back view. So guys, that's what I had for today, and if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. I'm out.